Hello.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
yeah, I'm fine.
Good. My name is Stephen. I'm from South Africa. And what is your name?
Okay, hi Steven. I'm Paul.
Paul. Nice name.
Thank you.
Where are you from,
So
Paul?
I'm from India.
Good to meet you. And India is a very big place. So, what part of India are you from?
I'm from South India.
South India. And what is your IPL team? Which IPL team do you support?
I support CSK.
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 Okay. Yeah, no CSK. Good. Chennai Super Kings.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, good. Okay, so tell me, Paul, how old are you?
I'm 18 now.
Good. And why are you using Cambly?
Actually, I want to know. I to get fluent in English.
Do you want to get?
Hello.
So, yeah, sorry, what
I
did you say,
want to.
Paul?
I want to be fluent in English.
Okay,
Fluent.
good. And Paul, are you finished with school now?
Yes, I did.
And what are you going to study? Are you going to study at college or university?
College. I wanna take
Uh,
engineering.
Engineering. Good. Very good. Okay, so what kind of English do you do? Can you tell me about what kind of English practice you do? Do you speak English? Do you read English? Do you watch movies? Tell me a little bit about your English life.
Yes, I watch English movies. I watch English and some web series like Honey, and I speak English with my friends.
Oh, you do? Okay, that's very good.
Yeah,
Do
that's
you
it.
read do you read any books?
I read books. I'm a programming student,
Oh,
so I read
okay.
books in English.
O- Okay. You need to read storybooks as well, not just academic books. You need to read storybooks because the way we speak English is different to what is written in academic books or study books. So if you look at news articles and um, books, programming books or academic books, that's great. That's wonderful. Very good because you're going to use that language for the rest of your life. But it is different to the way we speak. So the way we speak is not in academic books or in news articles. The way we speak is in storybooks. So do you read any storybooks, novels, fiction?
Yes, I have read a storybook, and its name is yes, a novel book, and it's
Yeah,
a
which one?
and that book name is you're you are the best wife.
You Are the Best Wife. I don't
I
know
have
that
read
book.
I have read a novel.
Mhm.
You are the best wife.
I don't know that novel. I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you
Okay.
some.
Yeah.
You, I'm going to give you some. There's a guy called Roald Dahl, and you can. He writes extremely good books. I'm going to give you some. He wrote Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Now, I'm giving you this because I know you're a smart guy. I'm not. But children's books are the best way to learn English because there is a lot of language in children's books that you do not know. And the reason why children's books are better for students to read is because the way the sentences are constructed are perfect. It is not so difficult like some literature is extremely difficult to understand. So you can read one of these books, and you can watch. The reason I also recommend these books is you can watch the movies. These are all very good movies. You can Fantastic Mr. Fox, Matilda, or The Witches. Please read. It is the most important thing you can do, and these books will enable you. If you can read these books and continue reading without stopping all the time because it's too difficult to understand, if you can read and start getting used to the sentence structure, you will be able to speak a lot better very quickly. So because your English is already good. So I like your English. You pronounce your words well. You've got nice vocabulary, but you want to be more fluent, right? So read sentences. So you can read any of these books, and all three of them have great, great movies. So watch the movie first and then read the book, and you will enjoy it. Now, if you want to be also fluent, you need a dictionary book. So if you don't understand a word, you can look it up in a dictionary book. Don't use your phone or an online dictionary. Do you have any dictionary books?
Yes, I have.
And do you have English to English as well?
Hello.
Hi, do you have an English to English dictionary book?
Yes, I have. I have an Oxford dictionary with me.
Ah, mine. That's my favorite one. That's the one I use. Okay, good. Please use the book. If you find a word and you cannot understand the sentence or you cannot understand the paragraph because of one word, stop. Open your book. Look for the word. If you open your book, you are learning. And when you get to a word, you know how to spell it and the meaning and the synonyms. So these are the important things to do. You have to read. That's the best way to learn. If you can read English, you can write and read and talk and listen. So reading is the most important thing. So please read and continue with movies and continue with all of the other activities, but read, because this is where the magic is. This is where you really become a lot better in English. And you know what? Read one of these books. If you find it too easy, and I don't think you are, I promise you these books have a lot of vocabulary that you don't know. But if you do find it too easy, you can go to the next level and you can read same author, some of his short story collections, like Kiss Kiss. And
Okay.
short stories are great because it's not, you start and finish the story 15, 20 pages. And all of these short stories are excellent. He's always got an interesting twist in the end. It's always very interesting. So
Yes.
just read and continue with all of your other activities. Now, one thing you said was important is you said you and your friends speak English, right? To each other. That's great. Because if you want to
Yeah, we
get
do.
really if you want to get good together, you play the game Scrabble. Now, Scrabble is like chess. You actually have world championships. So it's very competitive. It's very easy to play,
I
but
know that.
very difficult to play very well. And 4 people can play at a time. So you and three friends can play, and you can see who wins. Now, there are Scrabble clubs all over the world. It's a big, big thing. So why don't you find some friends and you start playing? And the idea is to, when you play the game with your friends, you speak in English and you help each other, you teach each other. And this is a very good way for you and your friends to become really good at English quickly. All right. Okay, my friend Paul, thank you for calling in,
Well,
and I hope to see you again.